Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover changing the custom loader. We'll discuss what is a custom loader, how to enable it, and how to change the styles of the loader. The custom loader is a preloader that is displayed when certain content is still loading on the form. In Titan, this loader is usually used while data from Salesforce is loading. You can enable a custom loader in Project Settings, Site Elements, Custom Loader. Click on the gear icon, and a modal will open containing a preview of the loader on the left and the relevant properties on the right. Notice the default loader lies in a white triangular box and there is text under it. This can be changed using the two checkboxes at the bottom of the preview. This will allow you to remove the text and the rectangle. Changing the styles of the loader parts is now really easy. Simply click on the animation, on the text, or on the rectangle, and the relevant properties will show on the right. By clicking on the animation, for example, you will be able to choose a different animation to change its size, and other properties. By clicking on the text part, you will be able to change the font, add a fill, add a border, set padding, etc. And by selecting the white rectangle, you will be able to change its fill, add a border, add a shadow, etc. And that is how it's done.